If your Wi-Fi is connecting slowly to your Redmi or Xiaomi phone, then don't worry. This video will help you fix it. The problem may be in the wrong settings or configurations, so try out these solutions to fix the problem. Before you start, open Dialer. Type ***4636 #***. Tap Wi-Fi information. Tap Wi-Fi status. Tap Fresh status. After that, follow this process. Solution 1. Enable developer options. Go to Settings, then tap on About Phone. In here, tap on your OS version a few times. It's usually enough to tap for about 5 to 7 times. After that, developer options will be enabled on your phone. Once that's done, go back and scroll down. Tap on Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap on Developer Options. In the Developer Options, you will need to change a few settings. Scroll down and find a setting called Enable Wi-Fi Verbose Logging and toggle it on. Then find Wi-Fi Scan Throttling and toggle it on as well. Then scroll down a bit and toggle on Mobile Data Always Active. After that, toggle on Tethering Hardware Acceleration. This will make your connection faster. Once this is done, close Settings and restart your phone. Now see if that fixed the problem or not. Solution 2. Change the DNS server. Changing the DNS based on your network's connectivity can be helpful in fixing slow Wi-Fi issues. So, open your settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the forward arrow icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Scroll down and tap on IP settings. Select it to static. Then scroll down, and on the DNS1 section, type 8.8.8.8. Once you're done, go to the DNS2 section and type 8.8.4.4. After that, hit the check mark at the top and see if your problem is fixed or not. If that did not fix the problem, then come back here, and this time on the DNS1 section, type 1.1.1.1. Then on the DNS2 section, type 1.0.0.1. Once done, hit the check mark at the top to confirm your action. After this, hopefully, your slow connecting Wi-Fi problem will be solved. So guys, that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more solutions just like this. Thanks a lot for watching.